Osmo Action, battery charger. This is a 3.5 millimeter audio jack, and I have a camera cage. Finally, the Polar Pro ND filters. Here's the Osmo Action, all kitted out with all of the accessories, minus the neutral density filters that I'm going to screw on later. But here is the PGY Tech cage, the plastic cage. And then here's the audio adapter. It fits fairly snugly in this PGY Tech cage. There's a little bit of play, but it shouldn't be that bad as long as I don't jam anything on it. And then on the base, the Osmo Action doesn't come with a tripod adapter, so I'm using the little twisty knob, but the tripod adapter is from a GoPro, and here's the GoPro Hero 9. So it's very similar accessories by design, by DJI. So what I decided to get, what I didn't realize with the Osmo Action is that it has a different base. So here is the base that it comes with in the box, but it doesn't come with anything else on the bottom. It would have been nice to have a tripod mount on there. So I was looking for other accessories to give me a tripod mount and still use their base. I'm surprised that DJI doesn't make their own, or why it didn't even come with a tripod. It came with another base, but it was a sticky mount. There were 2 adhesive stickies, and those are sort of one-use mounts. It would be much more sustainable. Like, I would have preferred to have a tripod mount. Anyways, I went and looked online for an adapter from a third-party manufacturer, went to PGY Tech again, and they make this tripod adapter that I'm going to unbox right now and check out and see how it works. Just this adapter right here is $15. All these adapters, they add up. Okay, there you go. So you have Osmo's proprietary mount base. So here's their mount that goes on the camera, and here's the tripod mount, and it clicks in like that. And then it comes with this extra, if you want to go back to the GoPro mount. This audio port, the 3.5 millimeter port adapter, also gives you the USB-C power if you want to run it on a battery. Another reason why I bought the PGY Tech brand as opposed to other third-party brands is that this also has these grooves here that will fit an ArcaSwiss tripod. So you don't necessarily need a screw in. Here's a ball head. This is a newer, I just unboxed this one too. But this is a standard ArcaSwiss ball head or ArcaSwiss plate. And the grooves on the PGY Tech adapter here fit perfectly with the ArcaSwiss. So you put this in to the ArcaSwiss mount, and then you tighten it. There you go. That is locked in. And it is a neat trick that you can now use this on the, just get that in there. Is it on there? Yeah, it's on there. So let's say you have this on a tripod and you're filming, and then you want to go handheld for some reason. Then you can just unscrew this part, and then now you can go handheld. If you want to mount this on another device, you would have to just get more of these bases, these tripod adapters. So you would get a few of these, and then you could put them on different cameras or different types of mounts, whether it's a tripod or you have something more permanent, like on a gimbal or something like that, and then you can get a bunch of these. You have to pay like what, $15 for each one, but now you have a versatile mount that you could move your Osmo Actions with. I like this. I wish GoPro had something similar. Maybe they do. I'll look into that.